Hello!
How are you?
Hello.
Oh, she said hi.
Good, how are you?
Good.
Hi, Nan. Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
So, I was like, I'm actually vlogging.
How are you?
Yeah, we're like, it's
Hi.
You
You good? Oh, good.
Ang gabay busy.
Ay, bless na. Ay, bless na, Nay.
Oh, sorry.
Wala pa sukad sa. O pa, Jud. Yay! Did you think that Nanay Christine looks like Lula Vilma?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you know why? Huh?
This is Philippines.
Because they're Filipinas too. Hi guys! Good afternoon! Welcome back to...
Our channel.
Where are we going, Paris?
I don't know.
Nasa labas na ang tita ko guys. Pinick up nila kami kasi we are going out. Maglalaro daw kami ng mini golf. And alam nyo ba, this is the first time na magkikita-kita kami with this tita and her family since nung dumating kami dito. So we've been here for over 2 weeks. Hindi kami nagkita kasi nga dahil sa COVID. And alam nyo yun, so daming sitwasyon kaya hindi kami nagkita. So they called me yesterday and we decided na magkikita-kita kami today para maglaro daw ng mini golf. So ayan, tumawag na si Tita Christine. Nasa labas na daw sila. Papalabas na kami. So ang ating baby si Lynn ay nasa prom kasi nilakad-lakad ni Daddy Mike.
Christine.
So nakatulog na yan siya. Ate Paris, careful ha. Super warm as expected.
Hot.
Yeah, hot. Actually, yesterday is hot and today is hotter. Yeah, it's my phone here. Yeah. Hold, Mama. Can I put it in here?
I think it's hot.
Yeah.
Did you close the
Okay.
gate?
Huh?
Did you close the gate behind me?
Which one?
I walked out first. Did you close the
Wala
gate?
kasing maparkingan doon sa harap ng place namin. So dito daw sila nag-stop sa corner. Is that the red one?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the car that was checking me out.
So they're here now. Go! Bless the nanay ha. Bless the nanay. Oh, sobrang init guys. Uy. Bless nanay. Go, go. Andiyan na sila guys. Hello! Oh, she said hi.
Good. How are you? Good.
Hi, Nan. Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
So, I was like, I'm actually vlogging.
How are you?
Yeah, we're like, it's
Hi.
Checking me out again.
You good? Oh, good.
Ang gabay busy.
Ay, bless na. Ay, bless na, Nay.
Oh, sorry.
Bless na, Nanay. Bless na, Nay.
No? You don't remember me?
Hey, you don't remember. Oh, my goodness.
Tungkuan pa, tungkuan. Kanin, Mike, we have problem with this. We give it a Y, but doesn't have complete bill.
It is.
Just like,
It
I
is.
don't know.
I figured it out.
You can try if you can figure out that.
Oh, lucky. Oy, she's asleep.
It's one.
Sleeping.
Paris is in the front.
Hello, sleeping. Buyag, buyag.
Look at this way. Sleeping.
Sleeping Beauty.
Looks like you, Mike.
You reckon?
I think I don't know. Maybe
Nah.
change. Yeah.
We'll see until she opens her eyes.
I feel like
Hot here.
yeah, it's hot. It's hot.
So how you do it with the car because
Seven, did you want us to remove one of the seats?
A few moments later.
Good job, Paris.
Good job.
Dahil na siya takay. She'll cry if she lose. You know, like, you know.
Oh, but those are. Should we go like one at a time, or like we're gonna go? Well, yeah. Yeah, we can go. Are we going like? Yeah. Okay. Oh. Do you want to go next?
Well done, Paris.
That's turn.
Oh, balik.
Stop.
Balik. Oh, welcome back.
Welcome back to my channel.
Back to Melbourne.
Welcome back to my channel.
Next.
Next.
How about this? Next. So you enjoy.
You next, Celine?
Yes, enjoy the day. Yeah. Doesn't care. Right? Baby? Yeah.
Oh, lovely.
Yes.
Ah, very close.
Good.
Oh, basta dili gutom ta. Basta dili gutom. She's fine.
Mura na siya gahilak ng gutom. Uy, kamo mo.
Ako muna ba yun?
Andit ka ka na ang laki mong kay ka. Banal ka.
Oh!
Wow! Okay, over. Hindi, apil lang sa vlog. Okay. Wow!
You should come and join the Melbourne team.
Leave it, Papa, leave it. No, that is enough.
I grabbed mine back to that left.
Dad. Okay.
One at a time.
Si Lini. Go, Paris. Wow! Well done. You've done a great job, my love. Wow, good job.
Yes.
Whoop.
Oh, I think I went to the hardest one.
Oh my god.
Can I get it in?
Mommy,
Yes, Nak.
this time.
This time?
Yeah, this time I was
And this time you win?
this time I was good.
Okay.
Left or right? Which way did Paris go? Left or right? She went right, I think. Got it?
Yeah, right.
Wala pa sukad ta. O pa, Jud. Yay! Daddy, careful, Daddy, ha?
5 minutes later.
Time check, Tito and Tita. It's 4 o'clock ng hapon na lumabas kami doon sa mini golf kasi tingnan nyo, nakatulog pa. Iyak-iyak na to siya kasi sobrang init. She was sweating. Nilabas ko tapos pinadedik ko. Kasi June na yung breast milk niya. Nakatulog na siya, guys. So, yung iba ay nandun pa sa taas. Yung glasses. Nandun pa sila sa taas. Nandun pa sila sa loob. Diyan, somewhere there. Sobrang init. Kapag walang breeze, napakainit. Masarap kasi kapag merong wind ba. Kasi maginaw. Tulog na tulog. Naaawa ako kapag nilalagay ko sa pram kasi nababasa talaga yung loob ng pram, guys. Nagsisweat talaga siya. Hintayin ko na lang sila na matapos. Dito na lang kami maghintay-hintay. Gising na ang ating baby girl. Hindi pa rin natapos ang ating fambam. Knock knock. Is that you? Is that Celine Ray? Is that Celine Ray? Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Oh. Happy na yan, nakadede na. Nakanap. Na. And happy girl na? Where's Ate Paris? Tinawagan pala ako ng tita ko, guys. Kinukumusta kung okay lang ba kami ni Celine dito. Okay lang naman kami. Uy, oo.
A few moments later.
Ate Paris is back. Did you win?
Yeah.
Yeah? Careful ha, Maya.
All of us and went to the hole. It actually went away.
Really?
Yeah.
Did you have fun?
Yeah, but it's finished now.
It's finished now. Yeah.
If we put it inside, it's finished.
Yeah, well, as long as you had fun, then that's the main thing. Okay?
Mommy, can you move it a little bit
Come
out?
on, this way. Yeah, this way.
Mommy, I can't.
Yeah.
Mommy,
Kiss Mama B.
Can you move your legs a little bit?
Yeah.
Paris won.
Wow, well done, my love.
Ah!
Oh, careful. Sure, here now. Huh?
That was Anthony.
You forgot.
This Tita Anthony. There he is.
Yeah.
There.
Oh yeah, man.
Christine looks like Lola.
Lola who?
Lola.
Lola.
No, do you know?
Lola Vilma?
Yeah.
Do you think Nana Christine looks like Lola Vilma?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It kind of like her.
It looks like her?
Yeah.
Why do you think so?
Cause he kind of looks.
Because they're cousins. No, that's why.
Oh yeah.
Because Sebastian. Because they're Filipino.
Feeling ray. Where are we? Ate, we're on the bridge. We are going home. Did you have fun? Yeah? Did you like your game before?
Yeah, I got a purple one. Daddy got
What's that?
a yellow one. And what's the other one? Christine have another one.
A few moments later.
Ate Paris.
Mommy, my leg hurts.
Why?
And I got a band-aid.
Where? Show me. It's 6 o'clock na, everyone. We're home.
Yeah, I'm going to go shopping with Daddy.
We're home! Honey! Ayan, kakapadede ko lang nito sa kanya. So, you happy now? You happy? We had a great time, guys, with the family. Yeah. Although, halfway doon sa mini golf, lumabas kami ni Baby Celine, nakita nyo kanina. Kasi, it was very hot. Nakno! And Celine started to be like Suki. Kasi naiinitan siya.
Mommy, don't
Yes, anak.
say sorry to Daddy.
What'd you say?
Say sorry to Daddy.
What should I say sorry to your daddy?
Cause he did something wrong. You got angry.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh.
You should say, if you get angry, say sorry.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, I'll say sorry to daddy later.
Okay.
Okay? Are you happy now?
Yeah.
Honey, did you think that Nana Christine looks like Lola Vilma?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you know why?
Yeah.
Huh?
This is Philippines.
Because they're Filipinas too. Because they're cousins na.
Oh.
Yeah. So, Lola Vilma's mom, and Nanay Christine's, Lola Vilma's dad, and Nanay Christine's mom, they're brothers and sisters.
Sorry. I'm afraid they're not cousins.
They're cousins. It's okay, you don't have to be sorry. But, yeah, it's very, very impressive, na? You're very observant, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah? Out of nowhere, guys, sabi niya, Mommy, Nanay Christine looks like Lola. Kasi pinsan sila, kaya may, resemblance.
Daddy.
It is very dark. Nappy for Selena ka. We'll change her nappy.
I can't.
Why not?
Because I'm still a kid.
You're still a kid?
Yeah, I'm a kid. That's why.
And?
I'm a big girl.
Okay, so when you're a kid, Mama can ask you to do something?
Yeah.
Yeah? You've been getting Celine's nappy before? What's the difference now? Okay, look, it's very dark. Look, it's against the light. Look here. Oh, that's better.
My face.
Did you have fun today?
Yes, I got the purple one.
Did you win? Yeah?
Yeah, but Tito wanted to come in the water.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and Tito got it.
Yeah, he picked it up, yeah?
Yeah. Because he's super good at it.
Yeah. Do you like Tito Anthony and Tita John?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Tita John.
Tita Joanne.
Tito John.
Tita Joanne. Kalo, ati Paris.
He's color.
Oh.
Nice in colorway.
Oh. Cute. Oh. Cute.
Mommy.
What are you doing, anak? Hey, what are you doing?
Mommy.
You biting on his hand? Yes, sweetheart.
Mommy, where's the nappy sticker?
Down there.
No, the nappy sticker.
Sticker?
The nappy sticker.
Celine is pulling your hair. Oh. What are you doing, Celine?
I do.
Natugan niya ang tulog na ang ating baby girl. Payak-iyakan siya kanina. Very sleepy na pala. Ayan. Uy. Nagising na. Ayan. Tapos nagluto si Daddy Mike ng hapunan. Nagluto siya ng dito pa ba? Ay, hindi. Ayan. Tingnan niyo. Daddy, do you want me to turn this off? Do you want me to turn this off? Do you want me to turn this off?
It's off.
It's not.
Yes, it is.
It's not. It's still on, Daddy. It's still on. Spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
Ay, spaghetti. Ito na naman kami kain sa labas. Alam niyo, very cool kapag gabi dito, guys. Kasi, alam niyo, hindi siya malamig, hindi siya mainit. Super nice. Very Philippines ang kanyang dating. Yum! Yummy? Tingnan niyo, kumain ng walang sauce. Did you mean to put that here before, Bob? The pram? Did you mean to put it on the front door?
Because it can't lock it up, catching the keys.
Let's eat. Bon appetit. Bon appetit, Paris. Bon appetit, Paris.
I'm eating noodles.
Noodles. Time check tayo, people. It's 10 o'clock ng gabi and we are just
Watching
watching what?
this one.
What's that?
The birthday one.
The birthday one. Tingnan yung pinapanood namin, no? Dunekla. Kita ba? Ay, hindi mag-focus, guys. Ayan. So, nakatulog na kasi ang ating baby si Ning. So, kami na lang dalawa.
Let's buy
There we go. Alam niyo ba, sa Daddy Mike is washing. He's washing clothes. No? Daddy Mike, no?
Yan.
Hinayaan na niya kami dito ni baby. Ate na pala ka na ko. Baby. Ate Paris na mag-chill dito. Oh, matutulog na dito siya very soon kasi
I'm
anong
just
oras na?
chilling.
Are you chilling? Oh, that's good. Anyways, we'll do a quick shout out before we end, guys, ha? Kasi sobrang tagal ko nang hindi nakapag-shout out. Shout out to Teresa Otik, Ginny Rose Parian Peralta, Remedios Pauline, Grace Felix, Janzi Pinay Australia, Elizabeth Tolentino, Corazon Pangan, Lucia Hamuay, Sidrin Sangko Vlogs, Irma Santiago, Elizabeth Crisostomo, Jean Bagsik, Naida Trofil, Maria Luisa Dakpano, Felina Rodriguez, Jonah Reese, Rosemary Berzon, Heidi Lima, and Anita Valdez. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. We did have fun today.
Yeah.
Yeah, with the mini golf. So tomorrow it's another exciting
With
day.
the cousins.
With the cousins.
But I actually won the ball.
Yeah, well, you won. You're amazing, aren't you?
But I dropped the ball in the water. Did I? Did I, Mommy?
You did. That's alright.
And Anthony got it.
Yeah, Tito Anthony got it for you.
Yeah, because he's a little stronger.
A little stronger.
Yeah, but Anthony dropped hers in the water well. And he got it already.
Anyways, guys, please give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Thumbs up na.
Right?
Thumbs up. Thumbs up. And make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can,
Careful, bye. And I really like this.